Hi, I'm Preeti Kataria and I'm a naturopath. I deal with people with diabetes, hypertension, other lifestyle disorders. So, my journey with yoga was always since my childhood. I used to go for classes and also some competitions in our town. Like, I'm born and brought up in Davangere, so there we had small competitions of yoga. So from there, my journey began, but when I came to my college and although for further studies, it was completely stopped. So from there, when I did my naturopathy, and there also there was yoga as a part of it, but I was not very keen onto it. I was completely focusing onto all this hydrotherapy, mud therapy, all those only onto my naturopathy. So I had completely given up on yoga. Only thing is, for my personal practice, I was always, on and off. I used to go for classes, attend. When I'm going, I'm doing. If I'm not going, I'm not doing anything at home. So this was the thing. I'm like very good at my diet, all those things, and very particular. I don't get that binging all the time, eat this, that, all. But the only thing which was pinching me is why am I not disciplined in my exercise regime? Only if I go out for exercise or yoga, I do. At home, at my own, I'm doing nothing. So that is where I was thinking, what should I do? That I should be self-motivated, I should be self-disciplined. And on the other side, if I see my professional journey, I was, as how I was like, I was not pushing people also for doing much of, exercise or workout or yoga. I used to just recommend and okay, fine. My main focus was only on my diet things and other therapies. So then later on in this journey, what I learned is the holistic approach will give them maximum benefit in short period of time. So then I thought of doing yoga teachers training course, and that is where I got to know about Ashmayu, because I googled and the top 5 yoga TTC course which are there in my near vicinity, and I found Ashmayu as the second top yoga teachers training course. So from there I came to Ashmayu, and I had an appointment with Naveen, who's the founder of the Ashmayu Yoga Center, and then I spoke to him. So I asked him, like, why should I choose Ashmayu? So he just answered me a few things like, okay, in Ashmayu you have the thing is you have many teachers, which I have seen. Wherever I go, there are only 2 founders who will take who will take you through the entire TTC course. But here, when Naveen also told me, and in my personal experience, I saw that I had around 4 to 5 faculties who are all in their field. They are very good, and we can say they are at their best. So that was the thing. Before deciding, okay, that was one plus point which I felt, okay, there should be around 3 to or 4 faculties, so that I can get knowledge from everyone, not just 2 people who will just impart everything. So that was one thing. Nextly, what was the thing? I saw the center, and that was very warm and welcoming. So that was the second most important thing, where I have to spend my every weekends. So that was also awesome. And thirdly is thirdly is the teacher training course itself, because I wanted self-discipline in my life and self-motivation, and also the deep knowledge of yoga, which will also help me at my personal level for my personal growth, and also for people with whom I think now I am doing total justice with them, because I am putting them into entire holistic approach. So this was the thing, and then I started my teachers training course with Ashmayu. So that was this 1 month. Okay, I was in a weekend batch, so every week I used to be here, and that was really awesome journey. People here, the faculties, everyone used to it was not like just time to time you come and you just give your part and you just go. It was not like that. They were actually trying to give us the maximum, like everything what they have, they were offering to us. So definitely we used to end up on time, but still it was not like, okay, just the time is over and so I'll finish off. No. So that was the good thing. And when we do our TTC, the thing is, you have yoga philosophy and different philosophies which we go through. So that is what is the main thing that keeps you self-motivated and that brings discipline in your life. So initially, okay, we may think why this philosophy and all, I'm not interested, I just want the asanas and all those things. But now I realize that, okay, that keeps me going. Because of the strong foundation, it keeps me going. And earlier also I used to do, but I was not self-motivated, not self-disciplined. But now I am, because of the strong foundation which I got from here. So I am very thankful to the faculty over here, Naveen and all the other faculties, all are very grounded, and I can say they are into it, they are real yogis and they are willing to give their best. So I would strongly recommend, if anyone and to everyone, whoever wants to have their life on they want a deep knowledge for themselves and people around them, definitely they should go for yoga teachers training course. It will not only help for their own practice and also for their professional growth and their personal life and people around them. Majorly I can say this is one of the contribution which we can give to the society. Thank you.